Trading the foreign exchange market carries high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Trading on margin, utilizing leverage can carry an even higher level of risk that can lead to a complete loss of investment funds. So before deciding to trade the foreign exchange market or using any of our software alert products, you should carefully and diligently consider your personal investment objectives, level of experience, and risk tolerance. There is a possibility that you could potentially sustain significant loss. You should not invest any capital or trade that you cannot afford to lose. It is your responsibility to be aware of and understand all risks associated with foreign exchange trading and to seek professional advice from an independent certified financial advisor if you have any doubts. Auvoria Prime does not exercise trading authority over your trades. You and you alone exercise discretionary trading authority over every trade.
All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the last London session of the week. Welcome to the last London session of the week with your host, Nathan Williams. I am the developer AIRO. We are at the worldwide headquarters of whatever you want to call it. We're here. We are here. All right, the team is here. We've been cooking on the charts, been doing some training and looking at the charts for the last couple of hours. And if you look at German 30, you'll know why all the whispering was going on. There's a beautiful sale right there before everybody got on. All right, as you guys can see here, it is 1:09 a.m. and we just hit all these yellow photo news for euro and pound pairs. All right, nothing too crazy. All right. Look at the currency strength meter right now. We've refreshed that. All right. Euro, AUD, CAD strong. GBP low. WY lower. All right. USD low. New Zealand dollar low. Let's see how it picks up. All right. All right. So let's see here on the dashboard here. All pound pairs and euro pairs are up for the day. Actually, everything on my board is up. Pound pairs, euro pairs, gold, German 30, S&P 500, everything is up for the day. All right. GJ is about half used of its ADR, halfway. GBP NZD is almost at 75% of its ADR. Euro GBP is at almost 50% of its ADR. Euro JPY is already at 75%. All right. I'm on a call. All right. Let's jump on the charts here. We got GJ, and you can see I'm already in a GJ trade. All right. If you want to know why I took the GJ trade here, I have a fractal high here, and then a bearish engulfing. All right. So we got a little pullback here. But this, as you guys can see here, I am now marking my naked charts with the imbalance and the order blocks, and then I put AIRO on top of it. All right. That way I get the best of both worlds. So I get to set up the charts perfectly the way I needed to on a naked chart, and then I throw AIRO on top of it. That way I can get the best of both worlds. So that's what I'll be doing from now on. You can see here, this is a 1 hour order block here. All right. And we had a fractal high and a bearish engulfing come out of that, double top. So I'm expecting a sale out of this bad boy to complete this M. All right. That's what I'm looking for. All right. GU is inside of an order block right now on the H1. All right. Overall, you have 3 green zones and 2 red, so it's in a uptrend. All right. You can see that GOD is in a even trend, 2 red, 2 green with AIRO, and you can see that really here, we're in between these 2 zones is 38 pips. So trading both ways wouldn't be right. Hopefully one of these zones gets broken so that we can go up or down. All right. GBP NZD. You can see we're up. Let's go over to G. The team says need to look at GER30. GER30 is dropping like a rock. All right, dropping like a rock. If you want to know what happened, we took this trade right here. We had this on the 1 minute though. We had this easy 100 pips that we caught right here. Little drawdown of 13 pips, and then we caught that 100 actually down here, 111 pips drop right before the call. All right, right before the call, and it's still moving down as we get ready to set up for get ready to set up for London Open. All right. We'll come back. Gold moving up. G-Chef is in a downtrend. All right. G-Chef's in a downtrend. Needed to break the Asia channel. All right. So it needs to break the Asia channel. So that's what we're looking for is G-Chef to break the Asia channel. All right. That's what I'm looking for. Look for to break that Asia channel and take it down to the order block here. All right. 20 pips at least. You guys know strategy 3. GCAD. All right. It's in an uptrend. All right. Trying to come down. GPNCD is coming down. All right. GI coming down. All right. GU and GJ starting to head back up. I'm needing GJ to quit playing on. Come on, babe. Hey, this is why you're not bait no more. That's why GER took your place because you've been acting up. GJ been acting up. That's why I had to replace it with GER. All right. So someone said Euro NZD bag entry. Let's go take a look at that real quick here. All right. Someone said Euro NZD bag entry. I don't have it on here. It didn't show bag entry on a 5. So Euro NZD had a bag entry on the 5. Look at that coming out of his zone. All right. Slanted M. It's in even trend. 3 red zones, 3 green zones. You have 64 pips in between both. So yeah, that'd be a valid entry on that one. Be a valid entry. Just had the news come out. All right. If we go with a naked chart real quick and we mark it up and then add arrow back on top, let's take a look at what that looks like. H1. All right. Got a little imbalance right here. That hasn't been touched yet. All right. Then you got that right there. Boom, boom, boom. That's your order block right there, your bullish order block. All right, come down to the 15-minute. Do we see anything? Yeah, a little. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. That's what it tapped on right there. It is on the 15 minutes. All right, 15-minute order block. All right, so it's coming out of a 15-minute order block. It could be a good sell down to the next order block right there. What is that? 20 pips. 20 pips. So we go throw arrow on top. Right, throw arrow on top. And you can see here, we got the hour order block. You got the 15-minute order block and another hour order block here with slanted M formation. It broke the neckline. It's slanted. All right. That's Euro NZD. It's a good setup. Only thing that made this better would be a bag entry. All right. All right, let's go look at the Euro NZD. Let's go look at the strength meter. Euro NZD. The 5-minute did give us a bag entry, a sell. That might be good. Euro NZD. Euro is strong. NZD is low. All right. Let's go back to the charts. All right, let's take a look at that Euro NZD. We come down to the 5-minute where it did give a bag entry. There's a zone right above it, right there. All right. But you got to, oh, okay. All right, guys, I am going to start the night off. Shout out to whoever called out that. I'm probably going to start, I'm going to go ahead and enter in this Euro NZD sale right here. Enter into a sale on Euro NZD. All right. Euro NZD for the sale. All right. I'm going to put it just slightly above the zone, the order block here. All right. It's about 15 pips. We'll go to 15 pip take profit. All right. We're going to 15 pip take profit on that one right there. All right. So we're in a sale on Euro NZD down 2 pips right now. The UCAD trade, guys. That's what the bot gave me. I'm still in that trade from yesterday. It's been slow poking. And then GJ, I entered in before we got on the call. All right. GJ needs to quit playing games with me. So we are officially on this call in on the Euro NZD sale. Let's go look at that German 30. It's pulling back a little bit. All right. Well, we'll see how it pays out when it comes to London Open. That's what we're worried about. We're worried about that London Open. All right. That's the key. The open move. All right. The open move. Just trying to push down though. Trying to push down. Euro NZD down about 3 pips, which is more or less just a spread. All right. Gold playing around. Let's go ahead and add AIRO onto gold. All right. There we go. Come on, G Chef, sit in the zone. All right, not much happening. Not much happening right now. We'll keep an eye on it. Euro NZD only down 2 pips now. All right. If you guys hear some random laughing, we've got a 3-year-old here at the worldwide headquarters, and she's watching Ryan's World.
Plus a couple of 3 years.
Drink of the day. You got paper cups from the office, and we have all the way from DoorDash. We have Fanta. I meant to order a 20 ounce, and somehow I ordered a 2-liter. Go figure. All right. And the snack of the night, we've got 2. So we've got Gushers. All right. And then for those who are old school that know about it, we got vanilla wafers. If you know about it, you know about it. If you don't, you missed out. You missed out. All right. So we'll go ahead and stop sharing here real quick. And we are going to, Daniela said, hey, Nate, got to be more healthy. Yeah, I'm not a healthy eater. I'm very logical and statistical. Statistics show that those who actually live the longest eat non-processed food, but they eat what they want to eat. I'm still waiting to hear a vegan or vegetarian or pescatarian that actually lives past 100 years old. They don't exist. Oh, Gloria says she has wafers and milk. Nice. All right, take a look at the Q&A. Question about the EA. Just want to know one thing about the EA. Will it be just one software running? Not really sure what you mean by one software. Any EA is just one software. It's just one software. So I'm not really sure what you mean by that to be exact. So I apologize. Why the EN entry? We just went through the EN entry. So we go back to it here. Euro NZD. We just went over that entry. Literally, I mean, if you're getting on late, we're up 1 pip right now in Euro NZD. As you can see here, on Euro NZD on the 15-minute time frame, you have a slanted M. All right. You have this candle here that came in. All right. Price came out, tagged, dropped out, and then retagged the actual 1-hour order block. All right. On the 5-minute, we also had confirmation with a bag entry. All right. So we're using a combination of institutional level concepts plus AIRO to guide our way. So we're currently up 1 pip. As you can see here, I've got TP at 15 pips. So it's just right above the AIRO zone and above the order block. All right. And we are currently up 2 pips on that. So that's why we took the trade on Euro NZD. All right. On this call, we will not just be taking, we'll be combining all aspects. All right. Euro NZD, you see here, it had a bag entry pop up. Shout out to whoever called that in the group. We're going to take that to the ground. GJ finally coming down. Finally, I need UK to go up. Let's go look at our favorite Our favorite plaything, German 30, is still dropping. Should have stayed in that trade. Good Lord. Caught 111 pips on this before the call. So I was ecstatic about that one. Nice little 111 pips. Started the night off right. 238 right now. You guys ready? No, she is.
No.
It'd be 250 if we stayed. What's it, man? Selfish over there. All right. So, hey, guys, we're going to see how this goes for the night with German 30. I'm feeling good. We're looking for get some more training on German 30 today, or just institutional level trading. And so we get some other things ready. So we're looking forward to catching a nice little move on it. All right. For those who saw my screenshots, I was up. I stayed up all night. I was trading it up until New York session. I had a blast. Euro NZD, we're up 1 pip right now. Looking for 15. Up 1, looking for 15. GJ is trying to come down. GU is just sitting there in the zone. All right, GOT is down. That's good. GN is down. So I feel good about GJ coming down. GCAD sitting at the zone. So is G Shift. Let's go look at gold. Gold is trying to push up. Gold trying to push up and go to the upper room. The upper room. All right. All right, guys. All right, if you just joined, we're already in a trade. So if you just joined, we're already in a trade. We just went over that. We are currently in a sale on Euro NZD. It's already in profit. All right. Oh. All right, no questions in the Q&A. Who is my crew? They want to be, go nameless. Let's just say they are fellow AIRO students. All right. And so I'm making it available. We have a nice little rotation system here, so that people can come to the office if they're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We have an office also in Atlanta, and so if Dante, if he wants to start, let people come in the office as well, he can as well. So definitely go bug Dante if you're in the Atlanta office. All right. Daniela said, "GER, my babe." Yeah. GER and NOS looking good for drops. I don't know why y'all be trading the NOS, man. Orlando office has not started yet. So we have right now just DFW and Atlanta. That's all we have right now. Down. Was profit $2. All right. So we're down about 2 pips now on Euro NZD. All right. All right. Amsterdam office. Come on, Leon. We're not, no Amsterdam office right now. We're not that big yet. I trade us. Keep moving. All right. I will say, guys, about NOS in London session, GER 30 leads the way. All right. Just keep that in mind. I've seen sessions where GER 30 makes big moves, and the New York session indices make no moves. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. All right. Keep that in mind that you want to make sure you're trading the right pair at the right time. That's what I stand for, because you have the best opportunity, all right, to win. That's what it comes down to. All right. Plus 500. Look at you. Huh? I'm just not break even now. You kind of pull back. All right. So 170 on the call. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get up to 200. All right, guys, we're going to show you something real quick while the market is kind of slow. We are in a Euro NZD sale, down 2 pips right now. All right. That's all there is right now. So, all right. So I've been talking about, somebody said chat here. All right. Hit stop loss on Euro NZD. Not really sure why you hit stop loss. It's only been down 3 pips, so I'm not really sure why you hit stop loss on that one. All right. I shouldn't be muted. I'm not muted on my end. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, drop 7s in the chat. All right. If you have sevens in the chat.
I can hear you.
What's that dropping?
That's dropping down 5.
What is that, GJ?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I guess if you can't hear me, then that must be someone that must be on your end.
5 minute arrow. 1 minute.
All right. Must be something on your end. All right. Might drop out and log back in. All right.
What's that drop?
G pair is moving down.
That's 30.
All right. Euro NZD. We're in the break. We are in break. We're at 1 pip on Euro NZD. All right. All right. So I've been talking to you guys about a new platform, a new prop firm. All right. I told you guys had some better aspects to it as far as their offerings than some of the other platforms. All right. And so new prop firm. All right. Our own very QB Stu. If you guys don't know Stu, he is an avid user of AIRO and Neo, and AIRO Neo, and he has partnered up with a business partner of his, and they have started their own prop firm. All right, so a prop firm is a company that allows you to trade with their money if you can pass their stringent tests. All right, Stu wanted to be create a platform that had the opportunity to be trader friendly. All right. And so what he came up with was Manifest 7. All right. Manifest 7. All right. That's what we have here. All right. So if you want to go to Manifest Trading, MANIFEST. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me put the link in the chat for you guys. I'll put the link in the chat. Let me stop sharing. All right, let me put it in the chat for you guys. Somebody said they're in GA up 8 pips. Congrats. Congrats. Our G pairs are falling right now. All right, boom. So let me put this in here to you guys real quick.
GA Asian session.
There you go.
GA Asian session.
All right. Send a zone for me.
Yeah, me too. Not on our naked.
Okay. All right, guys, we are plus 3 pips on Euro NZD. So if you're in the Euro NZD trade, we are plus 3 pips. All right. I don't want to take that. What do you think?
Yeah. But I'm looking here. It's not quite down there yet.
I'll leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Yeah, needs to go a little farther.
Euro NZD, we are plus 3 pips. Congrats to those who got in that trade. Looking for 15. Looking for 15. All right. So let's go back to Manifest 7. All right, look at Manifest 7. So Manifest 7 is a prop firm. Again, a prop firm allows you to trade their money, OPM, other people's money, and they give you a percentage of your winnings. All right. So this is what a lot of people, if you've heard the term FTMO, funding talent, Audacity, this is a similar platform. All right. So Manifest 7 levels to 2 million. I can tell you next week, I'm getting my account this weekend, and starting on Monday, I will be starting my journey to 2 million. All right. 2 million, not 400,000 with FTMO, not 500,000 with Audacity, not 200 or 100,000 with trading talent, 2 million. All right. So you can see here, it starts off at 15,000. then it goes to 60, then the 120, then the 240, then the 480, then the 960, then the 2 million. All right, then the 2 million. So let's go see. Let me pull it up real quick here. We'll go over a few things real quick so you guys can understand how it works. All right. And so here it is. Here's the platform. All right. So how does it work? All right. So you start off with a live account. All right. And when you start off with a live account, you start off with a $15,000 live account. Most companies that you go through, before you get to a live account, you have to pay money and then go through all these tests on demo. So you can't make any money. All right. And so if you don't make any money, then guess what? You lose your money. All right. With Manifest, you go straight to a live account. So you pay the fee, and the fee here is $757. It's only one fee. There isn't no 5 different fees for different amounts. There is one fee and one fee only. It's $757. All right. You start off at $15,000 live account. All right. Your goal is to get 7% profit. That's $1,050. All right. You cannot have drawdown more than $600. And then when you achieve that, you get 40% profit split. Now it's a little low on this first level because this first level, even though it's a live account, it's technically your challenge test. All right. But here's the beautiful thing is after you pass that one, you immediately go to 60,000 account. All right. Your profit target is 12.5%. So every goal to get to the next level is 12.5% growth. All right. You can't have drawdown or losses past this level that it has here. All right. And the cool thing about this is, like, for example, with FTMO, if you were able to get $8,000 profit, that means you're at 8% of a $100,000 account and you still need 2% to go. You don't get profit split. You got to get to 10%. All right. So you get no profit split. You have to hit 10% to hit 10% or more before you can get profit split. All right. With Manifest, if you had, once you get to the second level, if you got 3% profit, then you can take profit split anytime you want. At the end of the month, like, hey, at the end of the month comes, I only made 3% on my money, I can take profit share. And here's the beautiful thing, because your goal is 12.5%, the next month, even though you took profit share, you only need the difference between 12.5 and 3, which is 9.5%. So you can do 9.5% the next month, and then it takes you 2 months to move to 120. So it's about making sure you make money no matter what. Even if you got half to go and only made 6%, you get profit split that month. Now, here's the beautiful thing. If you hit 12.5%, let's say 2 weeks into the month, you automatically get upgraded to the next level. You automatically get your profit split, 50-50 profit split, all right, of whatever profits it is, and you automatically get upgraded. Same way, you don't have to wait till the next month. Other companies, they make you wait a full month before you can get upgraded, all right? So this is a platform for the traders, all right? For those who want to come in with me on this, let me know, because I am starting my journey to 2 million next week, all right? I'll probably already have some trades in. Let's go back to the charts real quick. I probably will already have some trades in by the time we start with the London session next week, but I'm starting with it next week. We are +1 on Euro NZD, all right? +1 at the moment, all right? +1 at the moment. All right. GJ is finally coming out of that zone. That's what I need. All right. G pairs are pushing down. G pairs pushing down. All right, so we're up 1 pip on that Euro NZD. All right, and so before chart's kind of slow right now. See, we got any Q&A for you guys. Anybody got any questions about Manifest? I mean, what do you guys think about that? I mean, getting paid no matter what, man. That's great, man. Brian just gave the difference. Cool. Joel said he's in. Clara's in. Brian said, let's go. All right. Erica said, sounds fun. Sounds good. Cool. What happens after the 12.5% when you have already 2 million? So the cool thing about that is when you get to 2 million, you actually get a better profit split. It's not 50-50 profit split anymore. It's 60-40. So now you get 60%. But the cool thing is you can have 2 accounts. All right. So if you have 1 account, you can go and get another one. All right. And you can have 2 that go up and have a total of $4 million. All right. So for me, Rick asked if EAs are allowed. Yes, EAs are allowed. All right, EAs are allowed. All right. All right, question is, are you cool with 50% profit split when others have 70%? Yes, let me explain why. The other platforms, again, there's always gonna be pros and cons. The other platforms that do 70% profit split, if you don't hit the 10% goal or whatever the goal is for the month, you get 0, all right? If you lose 5% in a day, you lose. You know, like I say with FTMO, if you have $8,000 profit, you know, because FTMO on a 100K account, you can't lose more than 5% in the day, and you can't lose more than 10% in a month, right? So if you do 8%, which is $8,000, and then one day after that, you lose $5,001 in one day, that's it. Your account is gone. With Manifest 7, let's go look at it real quick. I'm gonna show you real quick. Here's where the beauty is at, all right? With Manifest 7, let's go to the 60K account. You cannot go past 57,600 in loss. But if you make the same $8,000 we was talking about, you now have an $8,000 cushion because you still can't go past 57.6. You don't have to worry about only losing 5% in a day. Doesn't matter. You have an $8,000 cushion that you can take profit on at any time you want to. No one in the industry is allowing you to take profit if you don't hit the goal. Everyone wants you to hit the goal. Everyone has a demo account first. All right. It's a lot better platform. A lot better platform. All right. There's gonna be pros and cons. None of these platforms are going to give you all the good of every area. You know, this platform right here, you know, has some tight stipulations around you know, maximum loss and all that, things of that nature. You know, if you're trading, you're using proper risk management, you know, you knock it out. All right, see what else is here. It's new, so they're proof of equity. They're new, like you said. I mean, I trust Stu. He's been around. He's an upstanding guy. I wouldn't question it. And he's got backing, so he knows individuals that have some backing, and you know, so I'm gonna go with it on that route because I know him, and he wouldn't, you know, put his name on anything like this that can get in trouble. All right. Yes, there is a stop loss rule, which means that every time you put a trade on, you have to put a stop loss on. So I'm trying to get that question answered. I don't know if it means you get to put an order on the old-fashioned way, or if you can hit the one-click button and then put the stop loss on. So as long as you have the stop loss on within you know, a minute, 2 minutes, I don't know. So I'm trying to get that answer on that. Someone said German 30 bag entry on the 15-minute. We definitely not taking no trades on the 15-minute with German 30. I'm definitely not doing that. I can tell you that right now. But yeah, it's going down. That's a good setup. It's a good setup. Not a bad, nice little pullback. Nice little pullback coming down. All right, we'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it. I might have took this trade if I was trading my own account by myself, but you know, when I'm on a call with you guys here, because I know you guys like to jump in, we'll wait till London open. So we're +4 on Euro NZD. +4, looking good, looking good. Moving down slowly. That's why I don't trade these euros, man. They're too slow. If this is G pair, we'd already been down there already. Already been down there. Somebody say prayer for USD CAD, because it's starting to frustrate me. Taking all day. Taking all day. German 30.
I don't know.
I'm not touching it though. We'll wait till London open, guys. We're gonna wait till London open. All right, we're gonna wait till London open. All right.
Yeah, but it's kind of coughing.
Yep, a profit cushion. Mark, I said the same thing, man. I seem hype. Yeah, I seem hype. I'm going for 2 million. The journey to 2 million is on its way, guys. Imagine that, 2 million. 10%. It's 200,000. 50%. It's 100,000. I can tell you with German 30 trade I just took before the call, that was with the lot size I had, that was a 10% trade today already. You can do it. It's there. and the drawdown on that trade was almost minimal. So yes, that is why I'm excited. That is why I'm excited. All right. You can open a group of people that wants to get on the journey. There's already a group. Shaq, there's already a group. There's the free group. All right. Even though it says FTMO is the funded group. And then if those who actually get funded and make it past that first level, once you make it to level 2, then you get into the actual funded group. Because that first level is really a challenge stage, even though it's a live account. All right. So you got to get past the first level. Everyone that makes it past level 2, I will put you into the group with everyone that's been funded with FTMO, funding talent, all that. All right. So no time limit on how long you take to reach the goal. That is, Jason, that's correct. There is no time limit. All right. You have 1 year to make it past level 1. But once you get to level 2, I mean, if you only make 1% for the month, cool. Do your profit split. 1% of 60,000 is 600. You can at least get $300 for the month. It's not bad at all. All right. So you can take as long as you want. All right. That's another benefit. What time frame do you take your GER 30 trades on, if not the 15-minute? Well, if you've been following along with this, Tori, we usually take our entries on the 1 minute. 1 minute entries, because the German 30 is very volatile. And we want to make sure we have some precise entries so that we don't have any significant drawdown. So we typically take our entries on the 1 minute. All right. We're up 4 pips right now in Euro NZD. So if you're on Euro NZD with us in that sale, we are currently up 4 pips. All right. The relative drawdown rule, that's only for the first level, which we just talked about. All right. That's it. Go read the website. It's only for the first level, which means you can't have more than $600 of drawdown. Make $1,000. If you're using proper risk management, you should be good. All right. All right, Danielle, you'll be in soon. You'll be in soon. So everybody that's part of the journey, the road to 2 million starts next week. All right. The road to 2 million starts next week. Year add bag entry on M15. EA. Let's take a look at it. EA bag entry on the M15. We're +8 now, looking at Euro NZD. Oh, looking Gucci. Let's go Euro AUD. Yes, we did just get a bag entry on the Euro AUD. We are in a downtrend. Bag entry on Euro AUD. It's already moving. What are we looking at? I don't have 20 pips to the zone. Missed the entry. We get a little pullback here. Did we take that? We're already in Euro NZD.
Which one?
Euro AUD had a bag entry on a 15-minute. Got a little pullback right there. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hold on. We got 13 minutes. I'm going to sit on this one, guys. I'm already in Euro NZD and GJ. If you want to take this, I would take this. The reason I'm waiting is because I have I'm probably going to put a nice healthy lot size on this setup we're going to get on GER 30. I'm telling you that right now. So I don't want to be in too many trades, and then I get the dong noise when I try to put a GER 30 on with a bigger lot than usual. But that is a valid trade. I look to take it, just slightly above the zone, probably about a good 10, 12 pips. All right, we're +7, +6 now with Euro NZD. Yeah.
Well, I'm waiting until you're 30. I need the margins.
Oh, okay.
Because the other ones.
All right. GJ, I'm +2. Looking good.
I mean, 8, 5, 8, 6.
1,400.
No, 8, 2 tips.
Gotcha.
How much? Yeah, 500.
All right. It's looking good right now. I like to see green. +3. I'm up 10 pips on those two. UCAD just needs to get his life together. UCAD need to get his life together. All right. So we are 12 minutes out. All right. Oh, yeah. We're 12 minutes out from London session. I'm telling you what I'm going to anticipate. Here's what I'm anticipating. I am anticipating that we're going to have this type of move here. All right. I'm looking to see something like this. All right. Something like this. All right. Now we know it's not gonna look that clean, but I'm looking for something like that. I'm looking for GR30 come back up here for the Asia breakout. The Asia, I mean, you can see here. Here's why I'm expecting that. All right. Reason being is you can see this. You can see this right here. Look at this. Look at that uptrend right there. All right. The whole consolidation there, uptrend. So I'm expecting the dip here. We've already got some manipulation. So I'm expecting when London session does open, we get some more manipulation up, and then we get the drop. All right. The come back down, the retest, and then the drop. All right. So we already got some manipulation prior to, because everyone was already buying all the way up. Price came down here to sweep out all those, all that liquidity. I expect more manipulation at London Open to head back up. Hit our, we got, if you see here, I would show it here on H1. I have a, I'm sorry, it's on the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute, I have an order block, all right, and an imbalance. So I have an order block and an imbalance on the 15-minute. That was marked, all right, and that's what I believe is going to play off of. It got pretty close already. That's the sale that I took. I took part of this sale right here, 111 pips before we get on the call. So I've started the night off on plus 100, and I'm looking to get 2, 3, 4, 500 more. All right, whatever we can get tonight. The goal is to smack it upside the head. So we're plus 8 now on Euro NZD, plus 8 on Euro NZD, looking good. Hey, who was it that caught that Euro NZD trade? Plus 9 on Euro NZD. Shout out to whoever caught that Euro NZD trade, man. Do you get back your deposit like FTMO? When you get the 7% on level 1, you get 40% of your 1,000. So that's $400. So you get 400 of the 757 back. And then of course, by the time you get to level 2, you have all day long to get your percentages up, so that you can get your money back and then some on level 2. All right. All right. Plus 10 on Euro NZD. Congrats. Yep, I saw that. All right. When you sign up for Manifest, will they have their own broker? Yeah, with the broker, they will give you the broker's information when you sign up. All right. So when you sign up, you get all the information when you sign up. So they have their own. All right. They have their own. But all the information comes when you sign up. As far as the site, guys, I'll put it into the chat again. For those who don't know, Manifest Trading, I just put it in the chat. All right. I put it in chat before. Put it in chat again for you guys. No time limit to past levels. We already talked about the brokers. EN sale. Would EN sale be going against the trend? Let's go look at it. All right, let's go take a look at it. Let's go look. We're plus 7. So if we on M15, if we zoom out, we've got 1, 2, 3 red, we got 1, 2, 3 green. So we have even zones. So it's not against the trend. There's really no trend. All right. And we're using institutional levels. Plus on the M5, we had a bag entry, for our entry. So there is no trend right now. There's even zones. If your broker has something different, that's your broker. I've got even zones right now. So, all right. 8 minutes until London. 8 minutes until London. 8 minutes until London. All right. I got the mark up there. Let's see what happens. Got the mark up there. Got the mark up right up there. Yeah, I see it on the bottom there. Come on, GJ. I'm about to get out of GJ because GJ starting to frustrate me a little bit. Starting to frustrate me. All right. Can you show us how you drew? Well, guys, at the end, I'll go over order blocks and as well as imbalance. So we'll go over that at the end. All right. That way we have this close to London. I don't have time to go over that. So there's a lot that goes into talking about that. All right. I have 5 supports and 3 resistance levels. Interesting. All right. Your broker is different than mine. So I can tell you that. You still believe in your USD CAD trade from yesterday? I'm also in there since yesterday. Well, good for you. So yes, I believe in it because the bot told me to get in the trade. And this month, the bot hasn't lost a trade yet. So I'm holding. Just going to hold it. Man, Chris, don't be asking questions, man, and you in the trade and making money. Man, I mean, hey, Hey, close your trade out right now. You don't even deserve to go to 15 pips, man. You're gonna give us a hard time, and you in the trade too, man. Close your trade right now, all the way. Take your profits, man. All right. You're in GA. Cool. To get information about the Dallas office, please contact me. All right, please contact me directly. All right. +8 on Euro NZD. We are +8 on Euro NZD. All right.
Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
That is just sweet.
All right. Let's see here. Any more questions? All right. If you got any more questions, +10 on GJ. Hey, congrats. Congrats. Hey, man, you guys taking trades? Hey, you gonna take a trade just because man, you got it up there. That was a good, nice little one there.
G30's pushing big time.
Yeah, I figured that was coming.
I want to get in.
I figured that was coming.
I want to get in.
I just did for funsies.
Yeah.
Of course you did. You know where it's going. It's going to the zone.
That's what I know. God, no. Do you want to get in? 5 minutes.
Your camera right here.
I'm gonna do a pun just for giggles.
Oh.
Get the big one ready to go.
I'm in.
Right in.
Mhm.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go. What the hell? We got a big one.
All right, let's see here in a second. Got me check a look at the charts here. Euro NZD +9. All right, Euro NZD +9, looking good there. If you're in that Euro AUD trade, it is dropping. It's dropping. Euro AUD is dropping. If you're in that trade, Euro AUD is dropping. Congrats to you. 5 minutes out to London. All right, 5 minutes out until London. All right, we'll get ready to go take a look at the breakout. All right, who can reach out for questions on Manifest regarding rules, and I'll have some more other questions. They got a frequently asked question on the platform, but contact me directly. I'll put you into the free group so that we have a group that's you don't have to be funded, but if you're getting ready to, or you're wanting to, or you've already started a challenge, whatever, for any funding platform, you can get in this group. And this group, everybody can answer your questions for you. Some very intelligent people in that group. There are also some people in that group that have had funded accounts for many months, some over a year. There's one in there over a year. So a lot of good expertise in that group. All right. Euro NZD, we're +7 pips. All right, Euro NZD +7. I'm +2 on GJ. All right. Euro NZD need to hurry up. +8 right now. +8 right now. Come on, Euro NZD, get us out of there. All right. All right. Let's see if we get any more questions here. So yeah, just come in that group here. Hit me up on Telegram. We'll get you in there. Why don't you run your? Let me see here. Why don't you run your EA through a back test? Think you can get date from 2006? So great question. So right now on my EA, I am looking to right now just ensure that it trades exactly the way I want it to trade. That's why I haven't released it yet. I've got couple little kinks. I'm a perfectionist, and for those of you guys who have used the EA, you should know and appreciate the time it takes to build a good one. Because you don't want to be sitting in an EA that that has bad results or has very little back testing. All right. So once I have officially tested it all and I ensure that everything works the way it's supposed to work, or at least the way that I want it to work, then guess what? Then I will release it for the back testing. I'm gonna go back all the way back to 2010, I believe. And then once I go back to 2010, and I get the results that I'm looking for, then I am looking to do a beta test with live people, and then we'll look to release it. So got a little ways. All right, got a little ways. We're almost there. All right. All right. Just give me 1 second here. Just
Yeah. No.
All right, we're almost at London Open here, guys. Almost at London Open. We're almost there, and we are now at London Open. Let me go switch to my chart so you guys can see it here. All right. Give me 1 second here.
Swing out.
Let's go to the charts here. London Open here. You see German 30 is making a move. All right, German 30 is making a move. All right. Euro NZD, we're still pushing. We're plus 10 pips on Euro NZD. So looking good there, about 5 pips away. All right.
Come on, baby.
Let's see here what happens here. Asia low. I can tell you right now, the low of Asia session. Let me go ahead and mark Asia channel right now. Asia channel. This is Asia channel right here. This is Asia channel right here. All right. I'm gonna turn this a different color so we can understand what that looks like. Let's go with baby blue. No, that's ugly. All right.
Because you want to be in.
Let's go a different color. Magenta. How does that look? That's a little better. That's a little better. That's our Asia channel. All right. So our Asia channel. All right. So we'll see how it rolls, guys. We'll see how it rolls. Euro NZD plus 9, GJ plus 8. Let's go, GJ. That's Bay. Bay finally acting right today. Plus 10 on Euro NZD. German 30 is playing right now. It's just sitting inside the Asia channel right now. Nothing going on really. Just sitting inside. Let me get that. Make sure I get all of that. There we go. All right, there we go. So we'll see how it reacts. I'm expecting the up, the retest, and the drop. We'll see. It already had the one drop there. All right. See if there's any more questions here real quick. See if there's any more questions. All right.
Come on. Don't you dare break through that zone.
All right. All right. Euro NZD, man, Euro NZD just went the opposite way. All right, we was right there at TP. Oh my goodness. All right.
Oh, there you go now.
Let's go look on the charts real quick, guys. See if we can make sure we capitalize off the setup here. There go Euro NZD pushing back down. Good, good. Plus 6 now. German 30 coming down. Let's see what happens. I was up like $300.
I was up $3 grand.
And then
That's
I
my
went to close it. It slammed me. I lost it.
I'm still in it. I'm down 4 and 5 grand. Is it going back up?
Yes, I told you.
Can I take a sell?
And then I want to see if it comes back up and retests and bounces off the bottom of the Asia channel. Let's see what happens on that. All right, We'll keep an eye on it, guys. We'll keep an eye on it. Is it sweeping that liquidity? Is it going back up? What are we doing? What are we doing with German 30 today, huh? We're gonna keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it. Euro NZD +6, pushing back down. All right. GJ +7. Nothing from GU. GI is down. All right. I saw somebody was in GI. Congrats to you. GN has been pushing down. GCAD, nothing yet. It's trying to push down a little bit. G-Chef, not quite yet. It's about to break that zone. This would be this right here will be a strategy 3 trade for G-Chef. So G-Chef is setting up a strategy 3. All right. German 30, let's go look at it. You see it on AIRO. It broke through one zone. It's coming down to this next zone right here. We come to the naked chart. It's coming down. Let's go to the 1 minute. Did it come up? And it broke through. It didn't come back up here and tag it. All right. So we're just going to keep watching, guys. We're going to wait for the optimal entry. All right. It didn't go up and come down. So guess what? It's going down and then we're going to come up. All right. So I'm looking as it coming down. I'm looking for it to come down somewhere between the top of the zone and this yellow line right here. Give us a nice bullish setup to take us to the upper room. And trust me, we need the upper room here. We need it. And for me, if it does so, I'll be looking to take profit back at this level right here somewhere. So we'll keep an eye on it, guys. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it. All right. It could come up and tag this low here. I'm gonna put a line right here. We're gonna mark it. This is the bottom of the Asia channel. We're gonna mark that with the magenta because it matches the magenta. All right, so keep an eye on that one. M5. All right. Euro NZD is pushing back down. +12 on GJ, +8 on Euro NZD. GJ. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. If you want to know why I entered in on GJ, I will walk you guys through that a little later on. All right. We'll walk you through it a little later on. Right now, we're trying to wait to see what GER30 is going to give us because I want my 250, 300, 400, 500 pips a day. I'm already up 100. I need 400. I need 400 pips today. That'd be nice to end the week. We'll be patient. Euro NZD +9. So if you're in Euro NZD, we're back up +9, +10 now. For those who took GBP, JPY with me, I saw a couple of y'all jump in. We're up 15. Some of you guys are up more. GJ is about to go hit TP for me. All right, Euro NZD's 5. Both of them are 5 pips away from TP. GU pushing down. GU pushed through that order block, looking good. GOD, whoever took that, man, you making beautiful money on GOD. +17 on GJ. Gotta love GJ. Come on, Bay. Come on, Bay. Give it to me. We almost there. Euro NZD. We are +12. All right. +18 on GJ. Gotta love Forex. If you love Forex, say I love Forex in the chat. If you love Forex, let me see. Let me hear you say it. I love Forex. I know I love Forex. I'm having fun. All right, there's GER trying to push back to the upper room. Let's see what it gives us. I expect it to give us an entry sometime. All right. Just a matter of when. We just gotta be patient. That's it. Just gotta be patient. You wait for the right setup. All right. Get patient. When you're patient, reward you. +17, +13. 2 pips and we're done with Euro NZD. We need 2 pips. I need 5 for GJ. All right, need 5 for GJ. All right, plus 14 on Euro NZD. Plus 14. Let's go, baby. Come on, take me out. Take me out of my misery. Plus 15. Come on, what are you doing? There it is. TP hit on Euro NZD. I'm gonna have myself a drink on that one. Have myself a drink. You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm good. I need something stronger. This is going down.
All right, German 30 hitting that zone, bouncing off that zone right there. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna snatch up? Is he gonna snatch up? Hey, who called out Euro NZD? I forgot who it was. GJ, we're almost there. Plus 16. I might just pull the trigger. Who called out Euro NZD? Who was it? ILF. I like that. Demetrius. Hey, y'all drop it in the chat. Demetrius the GOAT. DTG. DTG. All right, let's get back on German 30. The team said it's almost time. Keep an eye on it. Let's go look. Plus 17 on GJ for me. I need 3 pips. German 30. We'll see what it does. Haven't get no setup just yet. All right. UCAP is going the wrong way. Giad is. And for me, I wanted to enter on Giad, but it didn't run a call. I wanted to get in a Giad, but it didn't give me my entry I like. I wanted to see a similar entry like GJ. They didn't give it to me. All right. Hey. Plus 18 on GJ. Plus 19. Come on, don't give it to me. German 30. It's coming. It's gonna do something for us. Plus 19 on GJ. Come on, Bay. Come on, Bay. Just pop it one good time for me. Pop it one good time for me. You playing. Playing. Let's go look at German 30. What is German 30 doing? German 30 playing at that zone. The AIRO zone. All right, playing. Let's pull in. Plus 20 on GJ. Should be closing any minute. Come on, GJ. Go on, close out. Quit playing with me.
Stamping the unbalance.
All right, German 30 pushing up. Pushing up.
Just tapping imbalance.
All right, pushing up. Push it to the limit.
Give us an engulfing. Let's get another position.
Ooh-wee.
See that?
There it is. GJ's out. We out. TP hit. We out. That's 2 TPs. 3. I hit that German 30. Up 100 and, I don't know, 40 plus pips tonight. All right, let's go to German 30 here. German pushing. Let's see what happens. We're just gonna wait for our setup, guys. Just gonna wait for the setup. That's it. We're just gonna wait for the setup. GJ. Man, I miss GA though. GA here's that 1 hour order block. It didn't quite get there, but it came right out of it. Even got a bag entry and dropped like a rock. Should have took that for the Asia session breakout. If you took GA for the Asia session breakout, hey, drop an AB in the chat. Drop AB in the chat if you took GA for the Asia session breakout, because you hit your 20 pips. Should have called that one. Knew I should have pulled that one.
Let's take it either wrong direction.
I thought it was coming down. I thought you were gonna put it in the left side to take it on the way back.
Well, I was, but I mean, Giad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was too busy with German 30 taking me down 10 grand.
If you got in a Euro AUD, you should have hit TP. Bag entry dropped. It's down 17 pips right now. I know we should have pulled trigger on that one. German 30 playing with us. We could have had us another 15 plus pips on that Euro AUD trade. I mean, I told you guys it was a good trade. I didn't take it because I was going to drop a big lot size on this German 30. And I thought we would have got a nice entry early on, but we didn't get it. So we could have had a We could have been had an entry on that. So we'll wait. We are out of our trades, plus 15 on Euro NZD. For those who took the bag entry we talked about on Euro AUD, you should be plus 15 or more. All right. Like I said, it was a valid trade. I didn't take it because I needed all the equity I can. All right. Let's see here while we wait here. GA hit TP. EA hit TP. Congrats. I knew somebody got in there. I know a couple of y'all got in the ABA, the Asia breakout on GA. Congrats. Just follow the strategies, guys. Hey, just follow the strategies. That's it. Darnell said 171 pips on GER 30. Nice. Kevin, 30 pips on GJ. Thanks, Nate. Hey, thank you. Thank yourself. You got on the call. You were able to get up. G Chef. Let's go look at G Chef. G Chef. Somebody say a prayer for your USD CAD. Oh, G Chef with the breakthrough. I'm in G Chef. I'm in G Chef for a sale for Asia breakout. I'm in G Chef for a sale for Asia breakout. What else happened? Oh, somebody said Euro Chef. Let's go look at Euro Chef. I don't have Euro Chef. That's right. I don't look at Euro Chef. It's not a pair I enjoy to trade. Euro Chef doesn't even look like a good setup. No, Euro Chef is a no-go. Negative Ghostwriter. Sitting at the zone. You got a bag entry, but it's sitting at the zone right there. No matter how big or small, it's a zone right there. And I haven't done my analysis on that chart, so I wouldn't be taking that. All right. In a G Chef sale for Asia breakout, down 3 pips right now. All right. GER 30 is coming down now into the order block. All right. So we'll see how it reacts. We'll see how it reacts on the order block. All right. Let's see how it reacts. Got a nice little doji setting up here. All right. Let's see how it sets up. Let's see what happens. I'm on the 1 minute. All right. Might get a nice little sale here. I mean, that nice little buy opportunity. Nice little buy. If we, how's it going to close? Oh, it's going down even more.
What are you thinking?
I hope it's going to get a buy. It's going back up. I see this doji getting ready for him. Come on, doji. Come on, doji. We need one more. Got a minute. Come on, we get a doji here. There go our doji. I'm looking now for a bullish candle. So we got our doji. Now I need a bullish candle, not bearish GER 30. We need a bullish candle. Bullish. BULLISH. If I get a bullish candle here above the wick of this doji, I'm in for a buy. I can tell you that right now. I'm in for a buy. That's what I'm looking for. We may not get it though. I'm on the 1 minute. We're taking our entries precisely on the 1. Well, look at that. Come on now. Push. Push. We're going to go to the Le Mans class. Wait for it. There it is. I mean, oh, wait for it. Let's see how it closes. Double doji. Push, push. It's not playing fair tonight. All right, double doji. Double doji. I kind of want to go in for this buy. All right, we'll keep an eye on it, guys. We'll keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. We'll get a strong little bullish candle here. I'm in. I like the double doji. We got 2 indecision candles. That typically mean price is looking to potentially turn around, kind of like last night. And both of those indecision candles there, those dojis, are at where? They're sitting on top of a supply zone. All right, sitting on top of a supply zone. We're gonna see how this plays out. I need a strong bullish candle. If I can get one, I'm in for a buy. And I can tell you right now, TP number 1 is going to be the bottom of Asia channel. All right, we'll wait. And then TP number 2 is going to be back up to that zone. All right. Those are my two different TP levels that I'm looking at. And we'll just see how price plays out when it gets there. We're going to go for the gusto tonight. Going for the gusto. We're at break even on G-Chef. So if you're in that G-Chef sale on the Asia breakout, we're at break even right now. We have not entered in yet on GER 30. We're waiting. Just need to see that it commits. I need to see some commit. All right, like it's trying to form another doji again off that zone. Man, this thing loves to make dojis. It's sitting down there, it's playing. Oh yeah, we got to go to the upper room. We're getting ready to go to the upper room. Oh, are you playing with us? Another doji? Come on. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for.
Get up there.
All right, wait, don't go too fast. Come on, baby. Don't do that to us. We should have been in, guys. Them dojis, giving it away. All right, yeah, this is a 100+ pip counter already, guys. I'm probably not going to enter in because the pullback on this could be nice. It's already up 100 pips. I know some of you guys were already in. I didn't see the commit. I need to see some commit. It didn't commit. It wasn't committing. If you're in this trade, I know some of you guys are. TP number 1 should be the bottom of Asia channel. And then TP number 2, if you're going to hold it a little longer, you should take it back to the start of London Open. And then TP number 3, the final TP should be that imbalance zone. All right, that imbalance zone. All right, so we missed that one. My apologies, guys. I probably should have took on those dojis. That was, I needed to see some commit. I didn't see the commit there. Euro NZD. So G-Chef, we're down 4 pips.
5 minute.
All right. 5 minute.
5 minute on GR 30.
All right.
It's going. What are you thinking?
I didn't get it. I missed it. You should have got it. We should have got it on those dojis. Those dojis down there. That after that second one should have been a buy. Plain and simple.
It's gonna go up always.
Plain and simple. We'd be up right now, potentially. Yeah, 125 pips. Double doji. I mean, that was clear day. That was just dumb with me not getting in. When the third one came, that was a slap in the face. I should have took that. Should have took that one.
Well, that's where we gotta go.
It should have been easy 100. It's an easy 250 pips.
Do you think she's gonna go that far?
Oh yeah, it's going back.
Should I jump in for a second?
Well, we'll see how it reacts here at the bottom. It's at the bottom of the channel right now, so we'll see how it reacts here. Remember, it might do the same thing it did the other day, where it came back, retested Asia channel, and then dropped like a rock. Remember that?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to jump in with a sell then. I gotta counter that. So we're gonna have to look at this pretty tight.
So we'll see, guys. I expect it to continue to rise, but it could do like it did the other day, which price comes, tags the bottom of Asia channel, and then makes its way back down. If it makes its way back down, we could see a nice move down. I'm not talking about to the zone. I'm talking about through the zone, potentially. We'll see how it plays out. I think it's going to continue to rise, though. It's still rising, so that is good for the team here. All right. We should have took that. Who took the dojis? I know somebody took the dojis because I should have took it. I don't know what. I don't know what I was doing. Double doji. That would have been a fire entry, man. Who are you telling? Who are you telling? I bankable boss. What's up? I don't know what I was thinking. That was Pia up 80 pips. I know somebody took it. Somebody took that. My bad, guys. That was I'm overthinking things. I didn't like the way it was trying to push down. As I get used to German 30 trading in this new way, that should have been an easy trade. TP1 would have been there and it got hit. All right, TP1 was to the bottom of agent channel. That should have been an easy. What would that have been? Easy. After the third doji, 150 pips and running. 150 and running. All right, so TP2, if you're in this trade, you should be looking for TP at the start of Asia channel breakout. I'm sorry, not Asia channel, the start of London Open. So London Open should be your TP2 potentially. If you're up, make sure you secure your profits. But TP2 should be right here at the beginning of London session. All right. All right. We're gonna see how it plays. Are we gonna get the rise up there, or are we going to get the fake out here, or the retap? Because again, the other day when you missed that large, you guys remember when it dropped like 700 pips? I think that was yesterday or the day before. What it did was it dropped below Asia channel, came up, tapped the bottom of Asia channel, and then dropped that 700 pips, and we missed that. It may be looking to do something similar here. We'll see how it plays out. If it does do that, I can tell you we should have a nice drop. We're down 4 pips on G-Chef right now. Down 4 on a G-Chef Asia breakout. Down 4 pips on Asia breakout G-Chef. All right. German 30 to see. All right, nothing going on there. G-Chef, let me go ahead and mark my take profit. 20 pips is right here. All right, so got a 20 pip set. Gold is doing nothing. GJ went down and bounced back up. GR, yeah, G pair is bouncing up. GI is still pushing down. GN, GCAD, and G-Chef. German 30 just stalling out right there. It's just, all right, there you go, trying to push up. Let's go, German 30. Whoever's in German 30, congrats. If you didn't hesitate like Nate did, congrats. I was telling myself to buy. You guys heard me. I just didn't pull the trigger. I'm mad right now. That's 250 pips right now. Easy. Got to be more careful. That third doji right there, that's 229 pips right now. No, so I'm gonna wait for it to go to the zone and make the retrace back down.
Yeah, I gotta get out of this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, most definitely. It's gonna get there. It's heading there. Yeah, I mean it's heading there. It's heading there. Look at that, the last little consolidation. The last little consolidation of A channel. Mm-hmm. If it gets past that, you're good. Mm-hmm. No, get a red one. There you go. If you are in GER 30, congrats to you. You should be up in the money. UK 100 did rise a lot. Jocelyn, I jumped in. I'm at 103. Congrats, Jocelyn. Pia 121. Congrats. Nice. Nice. Robert in at 1554. Out at 15565. Congrats. Sushi A 200 on GER 30. Nice. Mukhtar took after the doji like I should have done. 45 pips. Congrats. Nice move. Nice move. All right, nice move, guys. Nice catch. G-Chef, we're down about 7 pips right now. All right, I'm not too worried about that one. All right, Johnson also got 25 on GA and 5 on G-Chef. Nice. All right. All right. Why the naked charts? All right. We've been doing a lot of trading with naked charts due to the fact that we're going over some institutional trading type concepts. All right. So let's go back on the charts real quick. So we'll go over that later on today. We've already bagged pips. All right, guys. We're down 6 on G-Chef right now. Let's go back and look at German 30. Still pushing up. All right. Right now, German 30, you guys can see on my chart here, I've got here in pink. This is the Asia channel. I'm on the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute, make it a little clearer. This is Asia session right here. All right. And so what I see here, as you can see here, price was accumulating in this zone. You had manipulation up, manipulation down. Our entry should have been down here for this buy. TP number 1 at the bottom of the zone. TP number 2 at the start of London Open. And then TP number 3 is this 15-minute, what do you call it? 15-minute imbalance zone right here. All right, we should be in right now and should be up heftily. All right, you see the 1 minute, we had what? On the 1 minute, we had potential entries. Don't know why they take them. They're plain and simple. Doji, 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 doji. 4 dojis in a row, and 3 of them were bouncing off the zone. And they were making, look at that, slanted up and everything. And I just hesitated because I was waiting for a bull candle. And I should have took it. That ran up 253 pips. That's how you trade it, guys. That's how you trade it. So Asian channel is a beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. And with AIRO, you can clearly see it here. I'm gonna start doing AIRO the same way with German 30. I'm gonna start doing the same way I do with the Forex pairs. You see here, I mark my naked charts here first, and then I put AIRO on top. All right. All right, take a look here. German 30. Like it's trying to turn around right now at this consolidated area here. We'll keep an eye on it. Not really sure. I'm down right now. 35. It's not bad. Where were you at? 10. All right. Just keep an eye on it, guys. Keep an eye on it. Missed the position, missed the entry for me. So therefore, what I'm looking for is 2 things. Price to go all the way back up to this zone and reverse, like I thought I was going to do from the beginning. Or number 2, I'm looking for it to come out of the Asia channel, out below the Asia channel, come back up, tap it, and then drop like a rock. All right. So those are the 2 things I'm looking for right now. Those are the 2 things I am looking for right now with the German 30. All right. Euro NZD, we already took profit on. If you held it, you got 20 pips. You should have got 20 pips if you held that Euro NZD. Euro odd, if you held that, you should be up 20 pips. I called this one, but I didn't take it because I was thinking I was going to be putting a big lot on German 30 early. And I wanted to have to make sure I had the leverage to do so. And I go German 30 trying to push up. Gold, not doing much of nothing. A little push down. G-Chef, we're down about 9 pips. All right, he's playing with us. GCAT pushing. If GCAT pushing, we should get a push on G-Chef too. GM pushing. GI pushing. GU pushing down. So G-Pair's pushing down. So I feel good on G-Chef. Just a little pullback. We should be good on the G-Chef pairs. All right. At German 30. If you are still in German 30, congrats to you because you should be up or should have been up close to about 300 pips. 280. All right, got 280. 280 and rising. If you are in this trade, it should be everybody should be up over 100 pips. This should be a free trade. You should have what? You should have your stop loss deep in the profit. All right, lock in your profits. Don't give it away. Don't give it away. All right, don't give it away. All right, keep an eye on it, guys. Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it.
This is our line. That's retesting it.
What line is that? I don't have the line.
This is a wick
Oh, I don't have that wick. Yeah, I didn't have that one.
right here. This one. No. It is. Let me get a different time. That one you sent to Mark. Like. Bless you.
Bless you.
Is it going down? Going down.
I got the doji.
Still testing.
Got a doji.
Still testing.
All right, we'll see what happens with German 30 here. Like I said, if it comes down, I'm looking for it to come down, come back up, retest the bottom, and then drop. And I'll be looking to potentially take it down to this yellow line, this second yellow line right here. All right, TP1 will be the top of the zone. TP number 2 will be this first yellow line, and then TP number 3 will be the second yellow line. All right, and if it really gets to rolling, when it gets inside the zone, like as we've seen it do before, then I'll just keep moving my take profit down, and moving my stop loss down, and and collecting profits. This zone right here that I have is a 1 hour order block. 1 hour order block. All right, 1 hour order block.
Broken.
So we're gonna keep watching. We'll keep watching, guys. G Chef, we're down 9 pips. Come on, G Chef. Everything else is moving down. What you doing to us? G Chef playing games right now.
Come on.
All right, we'll keep watching. No big deal. No big deal. Minus 10 on G Chef. UCAD going up. Look at that. UCAD finally going the right way.
Golfing candle. I think she's coming down, big guy.
Mhm.
It's the doji and the golfing.
Yep.
Should we hit our sell?
Yeah, I would wait for it to close below Asia channel, then come back and retest it. That's when I'm gonna get in the sale.
Okay, where's let me go ahead.
Asia channel is at 15,567.62. That's the bottom of it.
18,567.
15,567.62. That is the bottom of Asia channel.
Oh, shit.
All right.
Oh, no, the doji down here says it's playing.
All right, nothing going on right now. I am out. 112 on GR30. Congrats. Holding GA at 46 and EN at 29. Oh, Josh said she got scared. Hey, German 30 will, again, you see me hesitate on it. And that's just because German 30 is very volatile. And I want to make sure that I don't put you guys in nothing bad, no bad positions, but guys to be more careful. UJ flying, the bot got into a trade on UJ and AUD USD. The bot got into trades on those. And the bot is up 26 pips on AUD USD. Hold on, make sure that's 26 pips. 42. Yep, the bot's up 26 pips on AUD USD. I'm in UJ, but I'm down 8 pips. Who said UJ flying? Oh, it's flying. I need to sell. I need UJ to sell. I'm supposed to be in the sale on UJ. So I need UJ to sell. AUD USD though, the bot is kicking butt right now. AUD USD, and the stop loss is already in profit. AUD USD, another win for the Bizot. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right. I'm also in UCAD. All right, cool. We'll keep an eye on that one. We'll keep an eye on that. I just want to keep you guys up to date on the bot here. GN still in, up 31. Hey, Chris, take your profits on GN. You was talking bad about GN, man, and going opposite trend, man. Euro NZD, man. You can't keep taking profits on Euro NZD, man. You got to get out. After you talk bad about it, man, get out.
Asia session one more time.
15,562. No, 67. 15,567.62. It's trying to head back up. You should be good.
Yeah, I think so.
That's a roundabout.
Yeah.
All right.
Inverted hammer. Ooh, I don't know about that.
It's an M on EN too. Man, come on, Chris. Hey, man. Congrats to you, man. Congrats. Will AIRO be available on TradingView? At this time, no. It is on TradingView, but it's as far as it being available, not at the moment. We'll let you guys know. We'll let you guys know if it is, when it becomes available. Man, Danielle up 181 pips. Darnell up 135. See, Danielle closed at 189. Nice. I'm proud of you guys. Darnell 336 pips with GER30. Hey, congrats. I'm mad I couldn't be there with you guys. I hesitated. Guys to be more careful. Let's go through. Let's go back to the chart and take a look here. See what's going on right now. All right. Oh, we got a huge 1 minute candle on the sale for German 30. All right. So you guys know what I'm looking for now. I need to break through Asia channel. I need to come back, retest the bottom of Asia channel, and we're looking for a sale. All right. I'm looking for a bearish engulfing candle setup. I'm looking for a pull out, retest, doji, whatever. I'm looking for something off this this line right here, which represents the bottom of Asia channel. If I get that, I am looking for a sale down to the zone for TP number 1, as we talked about. All right, TP number 1. I'll go to 5 minutes. You guys see a little better. TP number 1. TP number 2 would be zone number 1. TP number 2, yellow line. TP number 3, second yellow line. All right. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I got Doji right at the bottom of Asia channel. That's beautiful. That is beautiful.
1 minute. Oh yeah, that is sweet. Thank you. Someone's looking out for me.
To the upper room.
And then down to the floor. Look at that.
I kind of want to take that.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
All right, we're down 12 on G Chef. G Chef playing with us. G Chef is playing with us. All right. We're just gonna keep waiting on our setup for German 30, guys. Wait for our setup.
Did you see my comment in the chat?
No. Let me go see. What you say? Where you at? Did you even say anything?
I did.
Was it a cat chat or the Q&A?
The chat.
Oh, it's probably lost in. The chat blown up right now.
I couldn't put it in anyone else. It was just you.
Oh. Brian Covington, rounded bottom on G30 is what I see. Oh, congrats. Okay, cool. Cool session tonight. Bankable boss, appreciate you. It'd be better if we would have caught that trade together on the German 30.
Yeah.
My hands got a little shaky. Got to be more careful. All right. Got to be more careful.
It's ascending and everything.
All right. What about EAs taking stop losses with manifest? If they don't, we would be able to use that tool on the account. I haven't seen my EA hit stop loss. Well, at least the bad stop loss. It hit stop loss and profit. So I'm going to use my EA on the account. I want to use it on there, and if it can pass, I won't use it for the first level. But at level 2 and on, I want to use it on that. And if I can pass, oh man, it's going to be a beast.
Yeah. Did break it again.
All right, let's go back to the charts. Go see what's going on with this German 30. All right.
Just playing with us.
Yeah, it's going down. Look, it's slanted.
I know, I see that.
We'll keep an eye on that real quick here.
No, it gets up high enough. Yeah, no, this is watching. That's bullish right there.
Bullish flag. All right. I think we'll get a breakthrough. Yeah, you see that? In 1 minute. The bullish flag.
Yeah.
All right, man. It's great to be able to be in the room with people, man. Trey, I can't wait for you guys to come check the office out, man. Can't wait for you guys. We're down 10 pips on G Chef. Finally, G Chef heading back the right way. Come on, G Chef. Let's go. We need TP tonight. 9 pips. There you go. We're heading the right way now. Get that. We'll catch German 30 for a couple hundred. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on.
Right now, we're just watching, guys. We're just watching. I'm not going to hesitate no more. Next week, we're going to be catching it. That was perfect setup there. Got to be more careful. GJ, GU, G pairs just kind of stalling out right now. G Chef need to go do his thing though. Gold trying to come down a little bit. For gold, if you know, I've got a 1 hour order block, 1 hour imbalance, and then another imbalance down here.
There it goes.
All right, it's about a German 30 here. German 30 breaking through that wedge.
It is.
German 30 breaking through that wedge. Might be a good time for a good entry. I don't know. I'll take a look at that here.
breaks the top of that doji.
It's top of the stomach.
Right about now.
It's out of there. Look at that wedge. See how these wedges work, guys? This right here is a bullish pennant wedge setup. Broke the top to the upper room. Easy peasy. Learn your stuff. Got to learn it. They help you. I mean, just simple price action. That even if you just caught that little candle right there, that was a quick little what? That's a quick 50 pips right there. And still going. Quick 50 pips.
It's got to go a little farther than that.
Quick 50 pips.
Come on.
So down 11 on G Chef. All right. Gold. So for gold, if gold can come down, all right, come back up and tag this here, this order block. I'm sorry, manifest. I mean, not manifest. I got 2 million on my mind. This imbalance. Yeah, looking for a sale on gold. All right, looking for a sale on gold. If we can do that based on the way it's heading. All right. German 30, you see it's coming back up. Should be tagging at 200 moving average. All right, we'll see how that goes. All right. Your NZD still dropping. Chris, you better be out of it, man. You can't hold no profits, man, if you're talking bad about it, man. Can't hold no profits. I hope you out, man. Hey, Brian, man. Hey, you might have missed. If you got that GER30 call, man, hey, you should have made more than enough. You should have made more than enough to miss up for those other calls. All right. Let's see here. Why don't you run your EA through it back to? Okay, I already talked about that. Is there signs of imbalance on G Chef M15? I've already walked you guys through my G Chef setup.
Bless you.
And G Chef, I don't have any imbalance. I only have order blocks set right now. Thoughts on getting Magic Keys tool to trade? I don't know. I don't know too much about Magic Keys. I've heard about them, read about them, but never really used it, tested out, see if it was even worth my time. But I hear, for those who do use it, they love it. But, if you're not a trader that's trading 8 hours a day, every day, then I wouldn't recommend it for you. Danielle said we need shirts. Said, yeah, there got to be more careful shirts. They're coming. Trust me, they're on their way. Because I need one today. I need one today. Garvin said, hey, Nate, hesitation is a thief. You're right. And they just stole some pips from me, 250 to be exact. I am a little upset about that. All right. Put the fractal on GR30 and catch the fractal low confirmation. Man, I have 3 confirmations, man. I had 4 dojis and 3 of them were touching the zone. I had the confirmations.
Level 1. Little guy. Down $10.
Really?
That's all one.
I see here. Let's take it back to the chart real quick, guys. Brian said, haha, he ain't mad. I know you're not mad, man. You catching all those pips, man. The rest of us over here hesitating, man. All right, let's go take a look at it. Down 12 on G Chef. German 30 is up and is up and is up. I told you, TP number 2 right here, top of the London Open. All right. Yeah, just to be on straight short.
You gonna get a good entry on this?
Yeah, I'll wait for the setup now. We're gonna set up now.
All I can say is I need a drink. I need a cocktail.
All right, so what are we waiting for, guys? We are waiting for a price to come to a certain level to give us our potential entry. That one position?
That was just that was all one pawn. So the most of your now is $10. 10,000 and $10. Look at this thing. That's a $20,000 roll. 10, 20.
give the entry though for the sale.
No.
I know, dude. Well, let's take a look at the higher time frame. Oh, hell, it didn't. Maybe golfing. Doggy. Boom. Right there. 5 minutes. Take a look at that. Right there it was. You just had to wait to see which way that candle was. It went back up, but then it went straight down.
Down 11 on G Shift right now. All right, down 11 on G Shift. All right. Let's take a look and see what you guys talking about here. So GCAD on Neo, they're in 2% DD on that pair. All right. That's fine. Let's make an analysis on it. All right, we can make an analysis on GCAD. All right. What direction is GCAD going? Yeah, David, always another trade. So I'm not gonna be mad. We'll catch the next one. We'll catch the next one. Let's go back to the chart. All right, G Shift down 10. All right, move back the right way. German 30 trying to move back up. All right, we'll keep an eye on that one. Let's go to GCAD. GCAD, I'm gonna go back to the naked chart. You guys want to take a look at that? All right, indicator list. We'll take off AIRO off, delete. All right, so I go to H1. All right, so on the H1, you can see here, I have a bullish order block here on the H1. I have a bullish imbalance here. And then up here, we have a bearish imbalance, all right, on the H1. All right. You can see that the last, let me go ahead and mark it. The last imbalance, let me change the properties back to blue. All right, you can see the last imbalance is where you had the drop from. The initial drop right there. All right. And so we've got an information here is leaning. All right, slanted. It already broke below Asia channel. It's pulling back, but I expect GCAD to continue to drop. So if GCAD is not in a sale on, if it's not in a sale on Neo, then it may hit stop loss. I don't know, but I'm looking for it to come down to here, and then New York session get the potential reversal. But I expect price to continue to come down. All right, we'll see. You never know. I mean, that's what I'm expecting, though. No real news tonight. If anything, it'll come here and tag the zone one more time and drop again, but I'm expecting it to drop. All right, I'm expecting it to drop. Let's go throw AIRO back on. All right, okay. -8 on G Shift. So we're heading in the right direction. We are heading in the right direction. -8. And -21 on UCAD, boy. I tell you, guys to be more careful. That UCAD, boy. All right, there we go. There's German 30 trying to come down. Let's see what happens. We'll keep an eye on it, guys. We're going to keep an eye on it. We got 7 minutes into the top of the hour. We already took profits on Euro NZD. All right. I called out Euro AUD. Actually, I didn't call it out. The bag issue was called out in the group. I said it was valid. I didn't take it because I was hoping to drop a big lot on German 30, which I hesitated. So those who got that, 20 pips. So that's a win right there. And then for those who did jump in GJ with me, GJ went 20 pips for myself. We'll talk about that one in a second here on why I took that trade. All right. So when we get back from the break, we'll talk about why I took that setup on GJ. We'll also talk about imbalance and order blocks. And that'll be that. That'll be that. So German 30, you see that rejection, it started rejecting, as you guys see on the AIRO moving average here, the AIRO chart is starting to reject off that 200 moving average. All right, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Are we gonna get a drop? Are we gonna get a drop? -6 now on G-Chef. G-Chef starting to go the right way. Let's go, G-Chef. Let's go. Come on, let's get it. German 30 trying to come back down. All right, so we'll keep an eye on it, guys. See what you guys got to say here. All right, so we went through GCAD already. They're in a buy on GCAD. Might hit stop loss tonight. Might hit stop loss tonight, depending on where TP is at. Might hit stop loss. I've got GCAD going down. All right, I've got GCAD going down. Shaq, that's a good question. Does Manifest 7 have a demo account to practice before taking the real test? I would have to ask about that one. I don't know. I'll ask. That's a good question, though. That's a good question. That is a good question. I'll ask and I'll get that answer for you. We'll talk about it all next week. The road to 2 million starts next week. If you're with me, let's ride. All right. When you get your account, hit me in the DMs. I'll get you guys put in the group. We'll get the thing going. Alberto said he is already in the sale on GER 30. There was a shooting star with a fractal on the M1. Let's go take a look at it. Let's go take a look at it. Shooting star and a fractal. Yeah, that's not bad, man. Not bad. And it's right there. You got the imbalance zone on the M1 right there of the Asia breakout.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. You see that setup right there?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful setup. Not bad. Not a bad thing. Nice catch, my friend. Nice catch. That is the power of understanding when to take, or I mean, not only just where to take, but your what do you call it? Your price action. Price action at key levels is what leads you to potential success. So Alberto should be up somewhere about 100 pips. Should have hit 100 pips.
You want to see that retest that come down?
I don't know. I don't think it's gonna come back up there. I'm looking for it to go break through this wedge in the zone, come back and retest the bottom of Asia channel, and then fall. That's what I'm looking for.
So you're going here.
Let me look at something real quick here.
Yeah.
Let's go to M5. Let's go to M5. Yeah, it's going down. Yep. Wait for it. We might not go on a break just yet. Got a potential sale setting up here. Let's see what happens.
We're breaking the Asian.
Mm-hmm. Alberto got an early start. Man. Early 150 pip. Let's see what happens. Can we get our setup? Can we get the setup we want? There's the break. I can tell you guys, if this thing comes back up after if it closes below Asia session, come back, tag the bottom of Asia session, and then gives us a nice little, price action setup for a sale. I will be selling. All right. If you're gonna take a sell or buy on an indice, doesn't matter if it's German 30 or US 30 or what. make sure you always use proper risk management. They are heavy movers. This candle right here may look small, but it's not. It's not. All right, come back up. It touched it. All right, it touched it. Let's see what happens. Touch the bottom of Asia. What we're gonna do here? It touched it. Got a nice little doji. What are we doing here?
Come on, baby.
I'm getting ready to go in for a sale, guys. I'm letting you know that now. Got a doji. Well, we'll see. Hold on now. If it closes back inside, I won't. Let's see. Hold on. It's closing back inside. Let's see what it does. Come on, baby. All right, not just yet. That setup is not a good setup. So we can get us a nice little bearish engulfing candle right here. This next candle. Time to sell. Euro NZD for the sale. We were already in that. All right, minus 12 on G-Chef. Come on, G-Chef. Quit playing with us. Quit playing with us. You were just going down.
She's going up.
All right, so we're gonna sit and wait. We need to move down. All right, we gotta wait. We have to wait for it to commit.
It's going to the 200.
Need it to commit. It needs to commit.
Right here.
All right. One thing I do see though, for those who understand candlestick patterns, I see already a shoulder, a head. So if we can get us another shoulder, we're going down.
Big time down.
All right. So if we get us another shoulder, this is a head and shoulder pattern. If we get us another shoulder, we got the left shoulder and the head. If we get us a right shoulder, all right, a head and shoulder pattern where the head and shoulders are pointed up, you're expecting price to go down. Head and shoulder that's upside down, you expect price to go up. All right. So again, understand and learn your candlestick patterns. If we can get a head and shoulders, what was that? If we can get us a nice right shoulder over here, I'm selling.
I'm taking it to the bank. God, I'm pissed off. I didn't grab that buy.
What are you telling me? What are you telling me? That went to.
Do me a favor. Just don't tell the guy who invented this shit. He'd be really pissed.
Well, he's not gonna be mad because AIRO didn't say buy. So.
Well, no, it actually had a sell. It had a candle. Red AIRO.
Daddy. I want
Yeah, you have a call.
All right. Jumper 30 here. We'll see how it plays out. All right, see how it plays out. See, it's just kind of making this little way around here. It's gonna form that right shoulder. I'm selling. So while we wait, let's go over GJ setup real quick. Look like we're not gonna take a break tonight. My team's gonna look out for me when it comes to the to GER. All right. So let me indicator list. Let's take off AIRO real quick off of GJ. All right. So on GJ, here's the setup that I took. All right. So on the H1, I marked the H1 order block from 2 days ago. All right. And then I marked the other H1 order block from going into New York session yesterday. All right. Then I threw AIRO on. All right, so we throw AIRO on. All right, so when we threw AIRO on, all right, before the call, I saw this here. All right, let's go down to the 15-minute. So before the call, I saw a doji, which is also at a fractal high, and then it had a bearish engulfing candle right there. All right, and so I entered in my sell right there. I entered the sell right here. All right, right here. Let me delete that. Let me go put a circle there. Delete, let's go to circle. So I entered the sell right here. All right. All right. Let's go back to GER real quick. GER selling. All right. That's a little wimpy shoulder.
I know.
It's a wimpy right shoulder.
Bless you.
All right. Let's keep an eye on it. All right. Close below. All right. Keep an eye on it. All right.
It goes closer.
If it closes below here, we'll get ready to go take this sell here. It's a wimpy head and shoulder, but hey, it's a head and shoulder. All right, guys, I'll be in for the sell here when this one closes here. GER to the 30. Make sure you use proper risk management. Proper risk man. I don't like that pullback right there, that long wick. Oh, well, we're not taking no sales. Look at it. Pull back. You got to wait for the commit. It's got to commit. It's got to commit. So we'll wait.
Bigger shoulder.
It's got to commit. All right. Got to commit. Go back to GJ here. All right. So we throw GJ, throw AIRO back on. All right. You see here, I took the sell right there because of that setup. That's what I saw on the 15-minute. All right. But then also on the 5-minute, at that same point, had a you got a bag entry right there as well. So after I got in the trade, another confirmation came out. Then after that, you had another bag entry for the sale come in, and that trade dropped 20 pips. But that's what I did. You know, price had a doji coming out of, inside of the 1 hour order block, and then you had a bearish engulfing candle coming out of it. All right, that is a clear candlestick rejection for a sale. You already had leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3 of the M. So try to form that leg 4. Hasn't broke the zone yet to make the full M, but at least came down here to close to the neckline, which is good enough for 20 pips. You guys saw the cards when we took that. All right. That's why I had that set up there. All right. G Chef is playing games with us right now. All right. German 30. All right, let's see what happens. We just gonna keep an eye, guys. That's a nice little head and shoulder setting up, though. Let's go to the 5-minute. G Chef boy, I'm about to go smack G Chef upside the head. All right. Alberto, so they still holding up 160. Nice. Already in German 30 up 80 pips. Nice. Nice. Q&A. Bag on GU. Let's go look. Let's go look. GU for the bag. GU. Oh yeah, we had a bag there. Yeah, it's sitting at a zone right now. It's coming out of a bearish. It's coming out of it's coming out of a order block. So yeah, GU will eventually go down. I don't see a setup right now though. That bag entry with the zone right there. We don't take that when the zone's right there. All right, not taking that with the zone. German 30 pushing up. All right. Little W formation right there. All right. Why don't I like pending orders? I don't like pending orders because I just don't like them. I'd rather just place the orders myself. I don't believe in, unless it's the bot. I don't believe in putting pending orders because something crazy could happen. I'd rather be there. I'd rather be there watching. That's just me. All right, someone says for some reason they can't add currencies. Saeed, I'm not really sure why you can't add currencies. If your broker doesn't have them, you just got to go. All right, let's go back to the chart to add currencies. All right, what you want to do is you want to come up here to view. All right, view. Come on, get out the way. All right, so to add a pair, you want to go to view, symbols, and then under symbols, you want to find your currency. So whether it be 4X majors, all right, 4X crosses, whatever. And all you want to do is just double click the money sign icon until it turns gold. If you double click it, it'll turn gray. It won't show up. Double click it, it turns gold. You hit close. You then can come over here to this icon underneath file that says create a new chart. And then all your indices and precious metals and cryptos and currencies will be under here. That is how you add. That's how you add. All right. All right. Let's keep an eye. Doji at the bottom.
Yeah, it's gonna hit that.
It's done it twice. Look at the last doji yesterday. Yeah, it happened. It went right off.
It's gonna hit that imbalance and come back down. On the 5 minute to 200, right in the middle of it. So
Yeah, I got it up.
that's where it's gonna go.
Maybe to 200.
Probably.
G-Chef down. G-Chef respecting that zone right there. All right, where 40 pip stop loss at? Where would that be at? All right. Keep an eye on G-Chef. We should be good though. I'm not worried about it.
Well, it'll be a nice head and shoulders when it comes back down. It's going back down right now.
So far, hey, some of you guys have caught German 30 for that nice fat buy. We should have had that one and been done right now. I'm sick. We'll get it though here in the sale. Getting this right shoulder here. We're getting this right shoulder. Get this right shoulder. And then we look at the sale. All right, so get this right shoulder. We're gonna need to close. Need to close underneath the neckline here. So underneath that for the sale. Close below the neckline. We in the money. All right, see what you guys got to say here. The gold drop. Oh, I didn't see no gold. Let's go look at it. Remember, I told you about the drop. Let's go take a look at that drop. Let's go look at it. See if that is a big drop. Oh, it's trying. All right. Remember, I had this mark up here. So I need gold to come down here, come back, touch this. This is a H1. What is it? M15? Yeah, M15 imbalance. All right. If I get a close underneath the M15 imbalance, that's what I'm looking for. Need to close underneath the M15 imbalance. Price come back up, give us a bearish move, bearish candlestick formation. I'm selling. This zone here to here. It's 100 pips. Good, buddy. All right, guys. Market is a little slow right now. I'm gonna take we'll take a little 5-minute break. Be right back. And we are back. We are back. We are back. So I got a chart, see what happened. New 15-minute candle. We got a bag entry on GOD for a sale. All right, another sale for GOD. All right, not bad. Minus 20 on G-Chef. What is G-Chef doing? People on G-Chef, GER. We'll keep on waiting for that GER setup. All right, check the chat here. Morning star on the 5-minute GER. Let's go look at that. Got a morning star on the 5-minute GER. Pretty close to the imbalance zone right there. 5-minute 5. All right, yeah. We'll keep watching. We'll keep watching. Actually, you know what? And 5. Let's see if it's doing the same thing it did last time, guys. Hold on real quick. Hold on real quick.
What are you thinking?
Hold on real quick.
What are you pulling? Oh yeah. Can see that one. What are you pulling?
5-minute, the 5-minute order block.
What about? Oh yeah.
It's gonna range for a minute. It's in between that and the imbalance.
You think it's gonna go?
In between that and imbalance, we're just watching now.
This big green one here is what you took? Or over here.
The one before it ran up.
See here?
How far you going?
5. This one right here. Okay, I got it. Hang on. This is the one you're talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Got a huge imbalance down here. I don't know if it's been tapped though.
All right, let's see here. More news coming in GBP in a few minutes. I got my phone back. Let me check my Facebook because we were clear on all news with what is that with Forex Factory? Yeah, we've got red folder GBP news, red folder GBP news in 11 minutes. Make sure you get your stop loss on G-Chef. Make sure you have your stop loss on G-Chef. Red folder news on G-Chef. I mean on G-Pairs. I'm putting my stop loss. The way it's setting up, though, I think we'll see price go the opposite direction. Though I think we'll get a nice little rejection. We'll head to our TP a lot faster. All right. Man, I wouldn't even worry about G-Chef if we had made that 250 pips on GER.
Yeah.
Got to be more careful. All right. Let's see what you guys talking about here. So red folder news on GBP pairs. All right. G-Chef stop loss 40 pips. So count 40 pips. I can't show it. 40 pips. All right. You guys know the rules: 20 take profit, 40 stop loss. Nothing's changed. You guys know I can't give out stop loss and take profit information. All right. Saeed, glad you saw it, man. All right. Glad. Hey, shout out to everybody that won big tonight. All right. G-Chef will get that one here. All right. Let's go back and take a look at gold to see if gold did anything more on that drop. All right. We're coming down on GER right now. Gold still dropping. Gold still dropping on the 5. I'm looking for gold to come down like it is now. All right. We're going to see if it tags. We'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, the West.
No, wait. No, we took a little sell on that one. It had a nice doji on the 5. But it went back on. I just jumped down for like $20 unless they rate me. Hang on. Yeah, 60.
No, they gave you more. They gave you more. They gave you some more.
Yeah, probably. Come on, let's get the shoulders, get it down there, don't break it, just call it a night, man.
Gold right here at this imbalance. We'll see what happens with gold on this imbalance. Could be a nice setup for a sale. Could be a nice little setup for a sale. All right.
1 hour imbalance.
Mm-hmm. G-Chef, we're down 19. Got red folder news coming on G-Pairs.
Wow, that's a big one. That's beautiful. What are you waiting for?
All right, got that second shoulder. Got that second shoulder. Now we just need price to come on down here. And we're gonna take it to the flizzo.
What are you waiting for?
Take a look at my chart here. So on the 15, yeah, imbalance zone right there.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just waiting for price to come down, come back, tag it, and drop.
Oh, look at that one. That's in the 15.
Yeah, entry probably be on the 5 or the 1. So the 1 minute.
Oh, there it is. What the heck back there? Let me see it.
All right.
Oh, yeah. It's a sweet one.
So we'll keep an eye on GER. It's gonna be a good sale when it comes. All right, 50 total on gold for me. Lawrence with the nice Lawrence, 50 pips, nice. All right.
1 minute. Gold. What's
All
gold?
right.
What's gold? How much for a standard lot?
What's $10?
Is that
You kept moving the right way for me. Finally, you kept moving the right way. All right, got that shoulder. Let me show you guys the screen here. We'll keep an eye on GER. Wade got 46 pips on gold. Nice.
stayed in
Got that shoulder.
there? Mm-hmm.
Gold. All right, gold got a nice little push down. All right, nice little push down. I'm looking for gold to come back, make a retest sometime, and give me some type of bearish something. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Got a head and shoulders forming for GER. If you can see it here, you got the shoulder here, the head here, neck shoulder there. All right. And you see it should form out head, shoulder, head, drop back down to this level. Like I said, that should be TP level number 1 right there. Is back to the zone. All right. Gonna need price to close below this second. Let me change this color of this line here so you guys can know which one it is here. I'm gonna call it. We'll go with we'll go with the light blue, the aqua. Close below the aqua. Close below aqua. The pink line is the bottom of Asia channel. So we need to close below Asia channel and below aqua for us to take the sale. I see that happening. We're going to the floor. We got 5 minutes. Bank of England's Governor Bailey speech. Red Photo News. All right. G Chef playing games with us. Come on, G Chef. Taking his time.
Maybe it'll be huge.
God, I hope so.
I see you guys in the chat making good money on the cars tonight. Making good money on a car, good money. I mean, somebody had multiple EUR NZD sales. I should have put a couple entries in. Congrats.
Hey, gold.
Let's go look at gold here.
Did retap. Right, the candle right next to it. I missed it. See, right here.
Look at the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see it.
Retap.
Then you got a bearish engulfing too. That'd have been a great time to get in right there.
Mm-hmm. Still might work. It's not that far. It's gold. What do you think?
I'll leave it alone till Jim gets his GER.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Well, I wouldn't mind putting in a 50 center. 0.5. A lot of wicks on the top side. Looks like it wants to go down. Lots of wicks.
The team's talking about taking a sale on gold. What you guys thinking? What you guys think?
It retested. It's got what, 3-4 wicks there. The doji. I think it's about ready to go boom.
What you guys think, huh? We got 100 pips to the next zone down here. 100 pips. Definitely should go for it easy. Oh, it's 90 now. Or 90 from here. 90 pips. All right. I'm going in on a sell on gold. If you're gonna go in with me, go in with me. All right. Going in on a sell on gold. I'm going for. I'll put it at 50 pips. All right. Got some good movement on gold. Put it on for 50 pips. All right. 50 pips. Looking for 25 to 50 range, somewhere in that range. All right. If you're going to take a trade, make sure you use proper risk management. We got 2 minutes until the news. What we're waiting on now is German 30 to break through so we can get this sale. All right. Down about 5 pips on gold, 21 on G Chef. All right. Let's see what happens. See if the news is strong enough to send a trend the wrong way, the right way. G Chef, you quit playing with us.
So it's GR30.
People think about G Chef. Let's do this real quick here. Let me drop some more here and delete that real quick. You can see here on G Chef here, and you also got a nice little order. I mean, what do you call that here? Imbalance zone right there.
That's got my problem.
A nice little imbalance zone. So go back and add AIRO on. All right. So it wouldn't surprise me. News comes out, come tag that imbalance zone, and then drop like a rock. Drop it like it's hot. That gold got a little pullback on us. That's the pullback I was wanting to see. That's the pullback I was wanting to see right there. All right. I can tell you my stop loss is going to be right above. Actually, let me go ahead and set that bad boy. Right above this wick right here is my stop loss, a few pips. All right. Probably go about an 18 pip stop loss. I'll go about this goes. We'll go a little higher, about a 20 pip stop loss. All right. It's right above that, that candle right there. That's the one that came back and tagged it. All right.
Got a gold sell on 15.
15-minute candle just gave us a bag entry for gold. Let's go gold. All right. Let's go gold. German 30. Come on, baby. Give us the drop we need.
I'm going to double tap that.
All right. Yeah, I think we're doing the same. G Chef. Wicked. It wicked out. Let's see if we can't get us a reversal now. All right.
Yeah, I think I'm going to double tap that. Just go down. We have a doji here.
All right. Got a tight stop loss. I got a 1 to 2.5 ratio on this trade right here. 20 pip stop loss, 50 pip take profit. And depending on when it gets to going, I'm probably going to end up just moving that take profit down to this zone here. All right, USD CAD. There we go, the right way. Finally, let's go look at the USD CAD trade. There we go, USD CAD. Euro coming back up. Euro NZD. All right. German 30. German 30 going back up to that zone. We just gonna keep watching, guys. Keep watching on that one.
Look at that for a second.
GU broke through the zone. All right, I like that. G pair's pushing down, so that means we should be getting some nice push down on G Chef. All right, keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Gold doing his thing, just sitting there really. German 30, look at that. Even German 30 got a zone. And you know, we're looking for a sale, so German 30 got a zone. It just popped up. That's good for us. I mean, you know, more confirmation with AIRO that we're looking for a sale. You also got, you can see this. Got this trend line right here. Price is moving down. So yeah, I'm feeling good. We get this Got this coming down. Keep on watching it. Entry on the 1 minute. Why do we enter on the 1 minute? Because we want to have a better entry. Sniper-like entry. Low drawdown. We don't want to have to sit here and go through 200, 300, 400, 500 pips of drawdown. That's crazy.
Only that's it. How about 10 grand?
We're just gonna wait for the setup. We already got the shoulder. Now we just need to get a sell. Now let's make it an M. Let's get the M's. We got a shoulder. Now make it an M. Let's get a drop there. Let's go to gold. Gold going back up.
What's going on with gold?
Might go tag me out. Let's see what gold. There it is. There you go. Go back up there to tap. Go back up there and got pretty close to tapping that zone. Looking for a drop now.
There it goes.
Looking for that drop now. All right. Looking for the drop. The droppity drop.
Why does that?
Got the bag entry on gold too. Bag entry. Come on. Up to Peru.
No, other direction.
You're right, other direction.
Dude, yours can go that way. I don't want to go that way. Double tap it when it breaks that.
It's kind of slow right now, guys. See what you guys got going on. I like the gold idea. I'm in with you. All right, good deal. I took the gold. Already in profit. All right, nice. Nice. This gold looking nice. Gold need to hurry up. So this is the first week on London calls. So hey, Wade, this is Wade's first week on London calls, guys. Welcome, Wade. Hey, let's give Wade a shout out. WTG, Wade the GOAT. Drop WTGs in the chat. Wade the GOAT. Welcome, man. Yeah, we'll go over imbalance, and order blocks here very shortly. But you can go to the YouTube channel for Auvoria Prime, and you can watch the YouTube channel, watch all the old videos for London, for New York session, and all the other videos, the affiliate videos, all the videos that they have on the platform, you can watch on the Auvoria Prime's YouTube channel. All right, so make sure to check that out. A lot of good information there. All right.
I've seen it already.
All right, guys, we're at 3:30 my time here. All right. Let's jump back on the charts here.
Let's break it up.
All right, jump back on the charts here. GR30 pushing up. All right, so we'll keep an eye on that one. Let's go look at here. We're in G Chef. So G Chef, we are down about 24 pips. All right. Stop losses above the order block, so I feel comfortable about that one. And gold, we're down 12 pips. We got a 20 pip stop loss on gold, or at least I do. That's where I'm at. All right. Based on the M5 entry. Or M1 entry. Was it M5 entry? Yeah, M5 entry. All right. So now we're just looking for the sale. We got a bag entry on a 15-minute. German 30 pushing up. All right. So while we're waiting, guys, we're going to go over a couple scenarios. We'll go over order blocks and we'll go over imbalance zones. All right. And then we'll call it a day. So let's pull up a naked chart here real quick. You guys love Euro USD. So I'm going to pull up Euro USD for all you guys that love Euro USD. All right. So order blocks and imbalance zones are institutional level type concepts that give or show potential setups of where orders may have been left that the institutions are potentially going to come back to, which gives you a potential entry, into the market in the direction that they truly want to go into. So as you can see here, we have, all right, a huge downtrend. And then this is the lowest, but the first green candle. Doesn't have to be the first, but it just needs to be the lowest. All right. That right there is your bullish order block, because that is the first candle right there, bullish one before the uptrend. All right. So that is a bullish order block right here. So potentially there are orders, there are orders in this area that did what? Sent the price moving up. And there had to be a lot of volume here. And I'll tell you why. It takes $1 billion to move Euro USD 10 pips. 1 billion. This candle right here ran up 61 pips, and then it closed down at 54. So to move it 61 pips, that is $6.1 billion to make that candle. That's a lot of volume that was originated down here in this area. All right. Next is imbalance. All right. So what's imbalance? All right. So you see this long institutional candle. You can really find imbalance by finding and looking at long institutional candles. All right. So long candle right here. All right. So guess what? Let's go look at our trade real quick before I finish this here. G-Chef minus 25, gold minus 14. G-Chef is about to tag that order block right there. Gold is looking to tap the zone one more time. Come on, gold, go drop. All right. Go playing with us. Let's go, gold. You tapped it once. That's all you need. German 30 is sitting at that imbalance zone. All right. Quick updates. So let's go back. So we got the bullish order block. A bearish order block would be, you see here, guess what? Price moved up. Then you have a red candle, then price moved down. That is a what? That's a bearish order block right there. That's where there were bearish orders, sales. All right. Now, imbalance. So you see here this long institutional candle here. All right. You see the candle before, the wick is right here. The candle after, the wick is right here. All of this in between is what's called imbalance. All right. All this in between the wicks. Now, what does imbalance mean? All right. Imbalance. What does imbalance mean? Let me go ahead and mark that here for you guys. Oh, come on. What's gold doing? All right. It said gold's going down. Let's go look at it. Gold pushing down. Good. Good. That's what we need. Look at that. Bearish engulfing right there. That's a bearish engulfing candle right there. All right. Good deal. Good deal. All right. Euro USD. All right. That's close enough, guys. So this is a imbalance. Now, what does imbalance mean? So imbalance is where price moved so fast because of the amount of volume put into the market. All right. Price moved so fast that the market makers did not have time to put orders together. Because you guys know the number one job of a market maker is to place all buys and sales together. So if price moves so fast, that means there was not an opportunity for them to put buys and sales together. Therefore, if there's nothing but sales in, or there's more sales in than buys, price is going to move faster in one direction. Same thing here. They didn't have time to put those buys and those sales together. If they have time to do so, price doesn't move as fast. You get these smaller candles. If they don't get a chance to do it because price is moving so fast because there's so much volume, you get longer institutional candles. So that's why you have imbalance. And to measure imbalance, you look at the wick before, so the institutional candle, you measure it by the distance between the wick before the candle, the wick after the institutional candle. That zone in between that is the imbalance area. All right. Somewhere in this area is where orders were missed. All right. So we go down to a lower time frame. Let's go down to the minute 5 here. Let's see how we use these together. And again, you don't want to use them together by themselves. There are a lot of other things that go with them. But we'll take a look at it here. All right. Let's take a look at it here. Give you some basic concepts on how you can use it. All right. So as you can see here, price came down here in these orders. Price broke up. came back, tagged it, all right, buy right here up to the imbalance zone, 45 pips, all right, 45 pips up to the imbalance zone. That is how you trade that. All right, you want to look for some price action. I see some railroad tracks here, straight down, straight back up. So railroad setup right there. All right, you got a bullish engulfing right here. All right, so easy 2 entries right here. Plus price went up, came back, tapped it before it took off. All right, and that's on the minute 5. You go to the minute 1, you may have had even cleaner entry. All right, I hear GER 30 is moving up to the upper room. Let's go take a look. All right, GER 30 here. All right, moving on up. All right, like my gold might get stopped out. Gold's getting close for me. All right, yep, I'm out on gold. 20 pips, stop loss hit. Little tight stop loss there. Might have been too tight. We'll see how it plays out. All right, German 30. We're just gonna wait. So Euro USD, let's go try to find that. Where the area at? So we're going to 1 minute. Let's see here, opportunities, better entries, potentially with lower drawdown, tight stop loss. So those who are going to be on this Manifest 7 journey, there's going to be a lot of 1 minute entries. For me, I can tell you that right now. A lot of 1 minute entries. All right, and you can see that. Look at that, man. Look at that pin. Look at that. 1, 2 rejections right there before the run up. I mean, had you had an entry right there, you literally want to put your stop loss like right below there. You know, I'm sorry, right below the zone. I apologize. So you're talking about 13 pips below the zone, and it ran up 45 pips. That is a 1 to 3.5 ratio. 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio. You risk 13 pips to make 45. All right, because you have the order block here. You got the multiple rejections here with a doji in the middle. All right, entry right before the run up. All right, G chef for the buy. What is that? No, we're not worried about that. All right. So that is order blocks, guys. That's order blocks and that's imbalance. All right. We use those in combination with AIRO. So I will show you real quick how I set it up. All right. So what I do is I'll set everything up like we have here, and then I'll come over here under Navigator and I'll add AIRO version 4.1 from here. All right. That way I can see everything there. Look at that. Order block coincided with what? With the AIRO zone. Beautiful setup. All right. Beautiful setup. All right. And it's an uptrend. Even better. Uptrend. Multiple confirmations. Multiple confirmations. All right. Multiple confirmations. Uptrend. AIRO moving average. The actual order block. Everything is there. Everything is there for us to win. All right. And then you use this right here as a potential area to go right back to TP level, take profit level. All right. So we're down about 29 pips on G Chef right now. I'm gonna be up, guys. I'm gonna find an entry on GR 30. Congrats to those who caught that. I'll let you guys know in the chat about an entry if I see one here. And hey, we're gonna have some fun with it, guys. So hey, if you're gonna continue to trade tonight and in the morning, make sure to use proper risk management. And I'll see you guys in the funny papers.